What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we completed all 5-wave structure of this movement from May the 12th till May 17th, and right here we caught 40% of its movement and we booked these profits. And on my previous video I've told you that most likely we should break this range of support, and we were approaching to this level, but then on the last session we had this massive bounce to the upside and it gained about 58% to its highest point, and to its current range it has about 49% of potential profits. And definitely I completely missed this movement, and I have to say that it is totally okay that you can miss some movements, but the main point of the trading is to preserve your capital, and this movement was made basically artificially, and I will show you why I think so. I have to say that I'm very bearish on this company, and despite this news, let me quote it for you. It is the news that was the reason of its massive surge in price. Mullen Automotive announces impressive solid-state polymer battery test results, and this news was published just yesterday. And it says, results from Indiana's Battery Innovation Center show Mullen Automotive's solid-state polymer battery cell testing exceeds previously stated value of 300 ampere-hour at 3.7 volts. BIC testing shows impressive results of 343.28 ampere-hour at 4.2 volts for Mullen's solid-state polymer battery cell, which is in line with previously reported results from EV Grid. And definitely this sentence was the main catalyst for the price, and because of this we have a lot of support from retail community on stocktweets.com website. On watcher section, MULN ticker symbol is on the first place, and on the most active section it is on the third place. And this means this asset becomes again a meme stock, and it has a huge support from retail investors. And let me show you why I am quite bearish on this statement. Let me go to further information. This data supports solid-state polymer battery cell technology, which when scaled to the vehicle park level and at 150 kilowatt-hour equivalent, can deliver over 600 miles of range on a full charge for the Mullen 5 EV crossover. And let me show you, first of all, let me pay your attention on this sentence, and let me show you the previous data. And we are on official Twitter of David Michery. Definitely because of this tweet we have a lot of excitement comments, but let me show you its previous information. Right here we have this table, and it was the results, preliminary results from BIC, and let me show you this in details. Right here you can find that the initial cell voltage at rest is slightly above 4 volts. And right here he stated that it was, let me show it to you, it was 3.7 volts previously, and the solid-state battery cell was rated at 300 ampere hours. And let me show you that right here it was rated at 320 ampere hours. And even right here the maximum capacity of ampere hours was 317.16. And definitely this initial data basically reduces these achievements because it is not more than 7.5% from this number, 343.28 ampere hours, to this number of 317.16 ampere hours. And definitely it is not the huge achievement. On top of that, let me show you right here again They can achieve with the 150 kilowatt hour solid state battery over 600 miles of range. And let me show you that Lucid Motors just achieved 687.4 miles of range from its full charge. And let me show you that Lucid has from 112 to 118 kilowatt hour battery. And this means this number of 600, let me show you, this number of 600 miles is not the best, especially if you compare it with the 150 kilowatt hour battery. Definitely, I don't think that it might be the long-term catalyst. Probably they exceeded their parameters by just several percent. And I have to say that, let me quote you this information. In general, solid-state batteries offer higher energy density, faster charging time, smaller size and safety compared to traditional lithium-ion cells. And I completely agree with this statement, but Mullen Automotive didn't mention about the main downside of these solid-state battery packs. And let me show you this. We are on Forbes.com and I will put all the links in the description below. And let me quote you this. Solid-state batteries have an inherent chemical flaw. They degrade fast after a number of charge-discharge cycles due to the accumulation of lithium dendrites, thin twig-like pieces of lithium that multiply and can pierce the battery, causing short circuits and other problems. This means the results by itself of their energy capacity is not something outstanding. The main downside of these battery cells is their durability, and that is why we don't have any mention about this. And I have to say that the charging and discharging cycles is the main parameter that might bring this company to the first place of solid-state battery race. And we don't have any mention about this. And that's why I think we won't see this solid-state polymer battery on Mullen, especially if you take a look that right now they have only one of these cells. It is a small cell. Here is the dimensions, and it weighs only 3.8 kilograms. This means it is not the entire battery, and this means we cannot have any results from the real vehicle. And that's why, in my opinion, you shouldn't invest your money into this company for the long term. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, from the technical standpoint, this movement is still very technical, I have to say, because we had this bounce from the range of support, and definitely nothing is set in stone in trading. This means it is totally okay to miss some trades in order to protect your capital. And this movement to the upside I completely missed, and I missed about 47% of potential profits. But nevertheless, for now, we hit the range of resistance. And we have a bounce from this level. This means this asset is still very technical and we can rely on the next potential movement. So what should we expect next? Let me show you that on hourly time frame we have a bearish divergence. We have lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. And because of this, we might have a next movement to the downside that will reach some lower levels. And on a greater scale, on a slightly bigger scale, if I delete unnecessary tools, we don't need it for now, from its highest point, let me show you that from this top of the B wave to this bottom, we have first retracement. And for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you know that retracement should have a shape of simple zigzag. It is its most common structure. And this ABC correction might have 3 or 5 waves inside its A wave, strictly 3 waves inside its B wave, and strictly 5 waves inside its C wave. And if it is the case, we might have something like this: A, B, and C. And if we completed all 5 waves, we reached basically the range of resistance. Most likely we might see lower price action. And from this standpoint, if it is the case, we might see much lower price action. And if this asset breaks again this range of support at about 95 cents, definitely it will confirm this assumption, and we will see lower price action in upcoming sessions. So I'm still bearish on this asset, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag,